All right, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Coyote Productions, and thank you to my new subs. So today's another exciting day for Coyote Productions. We got a new mod. What we're gonna do today, guys, is we're gonna show you the install, and I'm excited about this. I've been waiting for these for a long time. Steeda is a solid supplier. I get a lot of parts from him. We have spherical upper control arm, the billet aluminum lower control arms. Also, we have the Tri-X most recently. Short throw shifter for the Tremec XL, and then the Steeda front radiator support, which dropped I think 15 pounds off the nose of the car. Let's unbox these jacking rails that I've been waiting for. Now, if you guys with your 05 Mustangs through 2014, this jacking rail will allow you to place a low profile jack with a pad. It's recommended with a pad so you don't scratch it. They are powder coated, but anywhere along this whole side rocker panel area where it's installed, you can get this car jacked up. So it's a great mod for me because I'm always taking this car up and down, and it's kind of a pain getting it up on the jack stands so I can get under the back, or rolling over some 2x8s to lift the car up to get it, under so it can clear the gas tank. So now we can just go right to the side. We'll show how that works, lift the car up, and then we can get to work. So excited about that. We'll get it unboxed. We'll show you how to install it. A couple things you need to know. You need an 18mm socket and a 15mm socket. We're going to mount it up front with existing hardware. The back is going to be supplied hardware. I always recommend to my viewers, this happens to be a Master Force brand, but it doesn't matter what you buy. These are the handiest tool to have if you're doing this kind of work. So it's electric, it's portable, it gets you to the job, and just gets it done. So let's check out these jacking rails. So one of the things that I do a lot of is every part or component that I put on this car, I weigh it. That's just so I know how much I'm putting on or taking off the car, and then it's just good to know. I want to know what these parts weigh, so I do have a lot of references. Flywheels, drive shafts, things of that nature. We'll start first with the Steeda 100-degree thermostat. Now what this is going to do for us, guys, this is going to run, and this works with your ECU, it's going to run more timing and throw more fuel at it because it's, the car is running cooler. I mean, this is just Steeda's product. This is what we have. We're going to put this on when we do the pads, like I said, and cams. Along with that build is going with a stronger crank gear and the billet steel oil pump gears. All right, these are the rails. The install does not look too difficult. These are your 15mm bolts that are going to go on the rear mount. These are kind of cool. So this is going to mount just like this on the underside of your car. And again, yeah, anywhere along this you can get a padded jack and lift it up. Let's see how much they weigh. It looks like we're 7 pounds 6 ounces. So we're going to be adding back 15 pounds. All right, let's do the install. All right, so as you can see, this is the driver's side, the flat side, smooth side down, and the plate is mounted to your right on the top when you're facing it. So this is going to slide under, which I think it's going to be a little bit of an issue to get in. And then we may need a punch to get it aligned. Here we go. Put it a little bit on an angle. We're going to get it lined up with the rear bolts. Let you guys see that. Come over here. So these are going to get lined up here, and then that will line our front bolts up. We'll have these loose, and then yeah, we'll get it reassembled. Not a bad deal, not a bad deal. So these will get, again, lined up. Up front. We'll go back to the front and make sure our holes are lined up, and then we'll get it reassembled. Put a punch in there, see if we can't get it lined up. Beautiful. Give them a good snug. Check, see if there's a torque spec on this. You know, this wrench goes 100 foot-pounds, and it's tight. All right, always make sure we screw these in a little further before you hit anything with impact. Make sure it's in far enough so you don't cross thread it. This side is on. Again, we'll check and see if there's a torque spec. All right, we have them installed. That's what it looks like. Okay, so ran into a little bit of a problem. The board slid on us. Now with those jack rails, we can get under there and lift that off. And this is one of the main reasons why I wanted to move away from getting up on the ramps, because my fascia is so low, I can't get up without extending the ramps and using a board. This is the first time it slipped, so we'll get the jack under there. No damage is done. I always like to use a little extra even though I'm at it. We'll get that right under here. Make sure you're on the jacking rail. And boom. Here's the demo. So likewise, it's the same for the other side. You can go ahead and there's a great demo here now. Look at there. We'll go ahead and get the other side out. Same thing as this side. This is well, there you go. Couldn't have planned that any better. So somewhat of a little failure we had, and we were able to correct it now by jacking on those jacking rails. So nothing's hurt, but that's a whole another reason why I got these, because those ramps aren't right, you know, because of that front fascia. So everything went on perfectly smooth. We torqued it to the torque of the impact wrench, which is 100 foot-pounds. If you're doing this, you might want to check them bolts after maybe 100 miles of driving and make sure they're not loosening up, especially on that front chassis cross member. So guys, thanks. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. You want to continue seeing this build, check it out. Also, Coyote's North on my Instagram account gives you a list of all my mods that have been done to this car, which are many. I have many mods. And more to come, exciting times now. We'll get this trim broken in and move on to bigger and better things. Guys, again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. You guys have a great day. Take care.